Hi, today is Sunday, June 18th. It's Father's Day, and I wanted to do a shot on the engine and it running before we put the vehicle up for sale, or excuse me, the engine up for sale. So I'm going to do a cold start on the vehicle and let you listen to it. Take them around to the back on here while this is warming up to the back of the car. See the exhaust, there's no smoke or anything like that. It'll stay at the higher RPM until it cools down a little bit on here. No, just go this part right here. There's no exhaust. Also, I want to show the mileage on my vehicle as of this video right now. So as of right now, there are 3,452 miles on the vehicle. So we're currently, the car's getting warmed up to 182 degrees. You can see I've got strong oil pressure on the readings on here. And the oil pressure, and I will go ahead and get on it a little bit so people can see the car on here and you can listen to it. And we'll kind of keep an eye on the temperatures while we're driving and everything on here. Turn the lights on. Engine runs great. Again, you can see it's 182 degrees, keeping coolant on here. A nice cruiser. It's not super fast or anything. Temperature staying around 182, 180. There's no smoke or anything like that coming from the car. So here, come around the corner. To it for a minute here. Turned out the AC so you can hear the car better on here. Again, I want to show the mileage on this. Right now, on the display, we've got 3,600 or 3,461 miles. So if you come look at it and you look at the vehicle mileage, once I replace it, you'll know how many miles have been on there since I took this video. again, and then, you know, show it idling. Show the water temperature at 186. The oil pressure is good. On here, revving it up. Thanks for watching.